Hello Euanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. Another tutorial video for today regarding about your PAYMAYA account, how to pay your bills like electricity bill, water bill, or your cable bill. Should I start now, Euanimous Friends? But don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! First, Euanimous Friends, log into your PAYMAYA account and make sure you have enough balance to pay your bills. Click the bill icon on the top, My Favorite, where you can add or receive all your payment like your electricity bill or cable, so easily to find. Click the cable and internet and you can see the available cable internet in your place, so I choose the Royal Cable. Type the account number, the amount, and then the account name. Then click continue. Then click the pay. As you see, this is the transaction details, and then now back to home. In the seconds, you can see your payment in the recent activities already post. You can click this. Now to pay our electricity bill, click the bill icon again. Then click the electric utility. Then choose the electric utility available in your place. So I will choose the Meralco. Type the customer account number and then the amount. Then click the continue. Now click the pay. As you see, this is our transaction details. You can click the back to home and then you can see the recent activity, your payment already post in a second, and you can check this. And of course, you can receive also a text message to your mobile number. That's for today, Euanimous Friends. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video, because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you, I promise. Until next video, bye! I love you!